Okay, so here we have an example of an invoice. So an invoice is a bill that's going to be sent out when goods are ordered. So like we had when we did our quotation back here, the top right hand corner of the document is whoever wrote the document, and this is who they're writing the document to. So the invoice, this is going to be the seller because they're the ones selling the goods out, so that's their name and address. Then this is the buyer, name and address. We might have an invoice number, which is usually to keep track of them. So if a business is selling 1,000 different orders a week, we need to keep track of all of our different orders. So we'll give each individual sale an invoice number and the date that the sale happened. So then in terms of what goes in here. So the quantity, this is the number of goods you want to order. This is the description of each of them. It might be a model number, it might be a type, whatever. This is the price of each individual good, and this is the total for those goods. So if we're going to sell, let's say, Assassin's Creed as a game, so you might have 10 Assassin's Creed game, and let's say it's €50 each, and the total will be 10, okay, the quantity multiplied by the unit price, which is 50, okay, so the 50 by 10 is 500, 500 goes in the total column. We then add all of our totals up, and we'll get a subtotal which goes here. Then after that we have to deal with two things. We have to deal with our discount for regular customers, which is called trade discount. So we'll take away our trade discount from the subtotal and we'll get a new subtotal. Then we'll have our VAT and we'll add on the VAT to get the amount that is now due. So just to go through that again. Quantity multiplied by the unit price gives you total. If we're selling a number of different goods, we'll add all of those totals together to get a subtotal. We then get a percentage of that to be taken away as trade discount, and we get a new subtotal. Then we'll find our VAT, which is a percentage of that new subtotal, and we'll get an overall total due. We'll add those together. Okay.